This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. Ferndale's newest development with only 18 lots. Pre-sales available to build. This home is 2,200 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Open floor plan with 19-foot ceilings and floor-to-ceiling stone gas fireplace in the living room. Elegant kitchen includes quartz countertops, double fridge/freezer, soft close cabinets, walk-in pantry. Large master with bathroom with walk-in tiled shower and walk-in closet. Home is a pre-sale and has not been started. For more information, review the details below.